Welcome back to my channel again. In this video we are going to study about blood. Blood is composed by plasma and cellular components. So we have two components of blood. They are cellular components and blood plasma. The blood is composed by 55% of plasma and 45% of cellular components. Plasma lamidi kasimbe salabachindi one the drop of blood imbe blood get drop imbe me and the blood drop ginana ludi red blood cells them white blood cells them platelets them what anyway rest any white portion is called plasma. The cellular components are suspended on the plasma. So plasma the gade bitho salabachindi plasma is liquid liquid plasma the gade bi plasma the yellow liquid yellowish color na lo plasma the and the plasma is consist of 90% of water 90% water and plasma protein 7% and organic materials and inorganic materials. Let us look at the functions of plasma. Firstly, the main function of plasma is to transportation of hormones, vitamins, minerals and drugs. And second one is plasma helps in the transportation of carbon dioxide in blood. So third one is blood plasma also regulates the arteries blood pressure. This is the functions of blood plasma. And next we have is cellular component. Blood is composed by plasma 55% and cellular components 45%. So let us look at what are the cellular components found in blood. So cellular components are produced in bone marrow. Cellular components are produced in bone marrow. We have three cellular components. We have three cellular components. They are red blood cells. Firstly, red blood cells. Red blood cell is also known as erythrocyte. And second we have is white blood cell, and white blood cell is also known as leukocytes. And lastly we have blood platelets, also known as thrombocytes. Now these three are the cellular components. These three cellular components consist of 45% of blood. So firstly, red blood cells. Red blood cell is किस shape दिखाते भी हो biconcave shape ना लो biconcave आना आनी side ना लो 1 2 cave पे both the side cave भी देवाने भी cave तले bi means 2 cave. The shape of the red blood cell is biconcave. So कच्ची भी biconcave. Now this is the adaptations of red blood cells to increase the surface area for diffusion of oxygen. The shape of the white blood cell is irregular in shape. The white blood cell is irregular in shape, and platelets is oval in shape or round in shape. Red blood cell has a special pigment known as hemoglobin. Hemoglobin. Due to the presence of hemoglobin in the red blood cells, the red blood cell is red in color. And white blood cell has no hemoglobin, therefore the white blood cell is white in color. So next we have is the lifespan. So lifespan of red blood cell is 120 days. 120 days. Whereas the lifespan for the white blood cell is 12 hours to 12 days. And the lifespan for the platelets is 3 to 5 days. And the main function of red blood cell is to transport oxygen. The main function of red blood cell is to transport oxygen to the different parts of the body. And then whereas the main function of white blood cell is to defense against pathogens. Defense against pathogens like virus, bacteria, which cause the disease in our body. Lastly, the main function of platelets is to blood clotting. platelets helps in the blood clot. Platelets helps to stop the bleeding. So let us summarize the lesson briefly. So we have studied about blood, and the blood is composed by plasma and cellular components. So 55% plasma and 45% cellular components. So the plasma is a yellow liquid part of the blood, and the plasma is consist of water, plasma, organic materials and inorganic materials. And the plasma is consist of water, plasma protein, organic materials and inorganic materials. And the main function of plasma is to transportation. It helps to transport hormones, vitamins, minerals and drugs, and also helps to transport carbon dioxide in blood, and also regulate the arteries blood pressure. So in the cellular components we have three cellular components. So cellular components consist of 45% of blood. We have three cellular components. They are red blood cells, white blood cells, platelets, and they are produced in bone marrow. And the red blood cell is also known as erythrocytes, white blood cell is leukocytes, and platelets is also known as thrombocyte. So RBC is biconcave in shape, and white blood cell is irregular, and platelets oval or so. Red blood cell has a hemoglobin which carries the oxygen, and white blood cell has no hemoglobin, and the lifespan is 120 days, whereas in the white blood cell has 12 hours to 12 days, and platelets is 3 to 5 days. And the main function of RBC is to transport oxygen, and WBC to defense against pathogens, and platelets to blood clotting. So why the shape of the RBC is in biconcave shape? To increase the surface area for diffusion of oxygen. So that's and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Thank you, and see you in the next video. And the notes for this video is given in the end of the video, and please go and watch. Thank you.